In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rounded corners to images in Photopea 2026, step by step. Open your browser and head to Photopea, the online photo editor. Once it loads, go to the File menu at the top and choose Open, then pick the image you want to edit from your computer. It will appear on the canvas as a single layer ready to work with. Next, we'll set up the tool that creates the rounded shape. Look to the toolbar on the left and select the rounded rectangle tool. If you don't see it right away, it may be grouped with other shape tools. Click and hold to expand the group, or simply press the U key to cycle through until rounded rectangle appears in the top toolbar. With the tool active, check the options along the top of the screen and find the radius setting. This controls how curved the corners will be. Enter a value that suits your image, typically somewhere between 20 and 50 pixels for small to medium images. Larger images may need a higher number to make the rounding noticeable. Remember, a bigger radius means softer, more pronounced corners. Now draw the shape. Click and drag across your canvas to create a rounded rectangle that fully covers your image from edge to edge. If it's a little off, that's fine. You can resize or reposition it so it lines up perfectly. The shape's color doesn't matter because we'll be using it as a mask, not as a visible element. Make sure the shape sits exactly over the photo. If you need to fine-tune the fit, select the shape layer and adjust it until it neatly covers the entire image area. The goal is for the rounded rectangle to match the bounds of your picture. To apply the effect, we'll use a clipping mask. In the Layers panel, ensure the rounded rectangle layer is directly above your image layer. Right-click the shape layer and choose Clipping Mask. Instantly, your photo will take on the rounded corners of the shape. If the corners look too subtle or too strong, select the shape layer again and tweak the radius value in the top toolbar. The effect updates live. When you're happy with the result, it's time to export. Go to File, choose Export As, and pick PNG. PNG supports transparency, which means the cutout corners remain clean and not filled with a background color. Confirm your settings and save the file to your computer. That's it. Your image now has crisp, rounded corners, perfect for web, social posts, or presentation slides.